Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and
hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm holding my legs like this. I don't know why, it just feels kind of comfortable sitting on the floor all the time. But you guys, really excited about this video. It is a fun giant collab with 9 other people, 10 total. 10 total, I want to say. I will leave the picture right here to show you guys everybody who is going to be doing this fun challenge. Josie from Life at 50 and Beyond, she came up with this fun $10 winter / Christmas challenge. So you can only spend $10. I spent a couple cents over. So mine's like a $10 and like 50-cent challenge. But thank you, Josie, for setting this up. She is so sweet. Life at 50 and Beyond. If you guys don't know her channel, make sure you check it out. She comes up with some super cool organizing Dollar Tree videos. She's so lovely and she's so sweet. So anyways, you guys, let's get going with this fun challenge. Also, playlist in the description box below so you guys can check out everybody's videos. I cannot wait to see what everybody comes up with for only $10 or less. So let's get started. So this first item I'm going to be repurposing, I am doing a $10 like trash to treasure, is these SLEIGHS. I picked up 2 of these from Goodwill. These were $2.09 each. And they were really nice quality. They just needed a little bit of love and a little bit of paint. So I just took my Waverly chalk paint in white and painted both of them. So I was gonna do a sleigh just white, and then I changed my mind. Yep, I painted over stickers because I do not like to take those off, I guess. If you don't see them, nobody's gonna know.
every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands.
Then for one of the SLEIGHS, I just took this gray color by Arteza. I absolutely love Arteza paints. You normally only have to do 1 to 2 coats. This one I think I actually did 2 coats just because I didn't like the streak marks that it made. And then if you do go over this paint while it's wet, it does tend to take the paint off, which happened to me a couple times. But yeah, so I just went in with this gray color on one of the SLEIGHS and painted the bottom. The other one, I used this pearl deep brown color for the bottom. It almost looks like a copper color, and I really liked that for the second one.
To keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love.
And then I'm just going to go in with this Perusian green color and paint the top of the sleigh. I thought this was going to be a little bit darker. I wish I would have went with maybe a darker color, but overall it ends up working out. You already see that I did end up doing 2 coats of this because this is the way that it was turning out, and I want it to be just a little bit darker. And then for the second sleigh, I'm going to go in with this scarlet red color and paint the top. The bottom of this one was the gray, and this one is scarlet red, and that is the name that I named my first daughter. It's spelled exactly the same. She thinks it is so cool seeing her name on crayons and paint and markers, and I don't know, I just think that's kind of cool, and that is just something I wanted to tell you guys. And I wasn't super happy with the way these looked just because it was such a bright color and it was super, super glossy. So I did just take some sandpaper and distress it, and I absolutely love the way this turned out after I sanded everything down. Kind of got some of the glossy parts off and did a little distressing. And then I just took some birch logs or little sticks and just tied them in a bow with some twine, and then I just added a little Dollar Tree, like little berry branch, gosh, what are these called, picks, and I just set it right inside of the sleigh, and I really liked that. I kind of wanted something on the side of these sleighs, and what I wanted to do just did not work out, so I thought they looked great just the way they were. And I love adding birchwood because it is free for us because we have a birch tree on the side of our house. Granted, it's our neighbor's house, but they don't care what we do with it, and I think these were just logs that fell off the tree, so we're either going to burn them or we're going to use them, and I wanted to use them. And then for the second sleigh, I had 2 little birch logs left over, and I threw another pick in. I think this one was either from Dollar Tree or Dollar General last year, and then I just decided to add a little reindeer. This little reindeer came from Dollar General, but I know they have something very similar to these at the Dollar Tree.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire.
And for this next DIY project, I'm just using this little herb box. This was $2.09 from Goodwill, and I just decided to take some sander to it and sand off the herbs because I did not want that. So this is what it looked like once it was all sanded down. And then I just took some Waverly Wax in Antique, and I did not water this down at all. I just went with it, and I did 2 coats of this. So you guys are probably wondering, how am I spending $10 when I probably already went over my $10 budget? I am just letting you know, for this DIY, I only am adding up the things that I am redoing. So like the SLEIGHS and this box and everything else I didn't even buy for this project. I had the leftover from different DIYs, bought things last year, so I am not adding that in along with the paint cost. And then I just picked up these stencils from the Crafter Square, the Crafter Spot at the Dollar Tree, and I started using a ruler, and then I just kind of was winging it. I had a paint marker, and I decided to use that too, and I am just stenciling in Tree Farm, and I don't know why I like that saying, but I just really, really do. And then I did end up going over some of the letters to make them look just a little bit nicer when I was done.
'Cause all I want is to spend this.
And then once everything was painted and dry, I just took some of these berries or these branches from the Dollar Tree, and I started stuffing them in here along with some boxwood that I've had left over. You can tell I cut it all up at one point, and I just always keep it around because you just never know if you're going to want to reuse it, and I've reused this probably 3 or 4 times. And then this is the way this turned out. I think this is super simple and easy and cute, and I just love little boxes or little planters that look like this. I don't know, I just think they're so stinking cute.
Stay with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
And for this last Christmas Trash to Treasure Winter Christmas DIY, I'm just using this tree I picked up at Goodwill. This was only $2.09, and I think it's because it was supposed to eventually light up, or it did at one point with batteries. It doesn't now, and I was okay with that. I ended up cutting the star off, and that was like attached, and I didn't even know because I didn't really know that this lit up. But it doesn't anymore, and that's probably why I got it for $2.09, and it was so worth it. I did not know how much potential this tree actually had until I was fluffing all the branches out, and this was so stinking cute. I could not believe that they were only selling this for $2.09. And I did take wire cutters and had to cut this off because it was attached to a bunch of wires. And then after that, I just started fluffing it all out and bending it around to make it look more straight.
A moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
And I also picked up this little box. It looks like little sticks and glued together. I don't know, but I thought it was so cute. This was only $1.09 at Goodwill, and I just took some Waverly chalk paint in white and started just dry brushing along the edges. And then after this dried, I ended up taking some black paint and dry brushing that along because I wanted it to look like birch wood. Although I did not do the inside, you're never going to tell because I ended up sticking the tree inside of this. So that is what I did here, and I absolutely love the way this turned out.
Need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. Making plans, what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you.
And then to decorate the tree, I just had a ton of these Dollar Tree picks. I get super compulsive when I go to Dollar Tree and see cute little picks like this because I know if I want them, I just need to buy them. And then I know if I want to go back and buy more, they're going to be all gone. I did have some left over from last year, things I pulled apart as well. So a lot of these were actually reused. Probably only 3 or 4 are ones I bought this year. And I just stuck them all along the tree. I am not a ribbon person. I have already had so many people hate on my ribbon decorating skills with my Christmas tree, so I didn't think they could hate on me for just throwing some picks in here. And then I grabbed a ton of ornaments from Dollar General. They have the cutest ornaments ever. And I'm just putting those all around the tree as well. And that's it, you guys.
'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside.
And then this is a closer look of the bottom and what everything looks like when it is all finished. I absolutely love this tree. I think this turned out so cute, and for only $3.18 for the box and for the tree, that is such a steal. A steal, you guys. A stinking steal. And you guys, that's it for the video. I love how I say you guys all the time when 97% of the people who actually watch my videos are women. So I apologize for that, but it is just stuck in my vocabulary. But anyways, if you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss out on any more videos. Thank you so much, Josie, for inviting me to do this challenge with you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I didn't drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day